right? Now, this is my personal chart that I have drawn basing what I know. Now, I traded this market when I, much younger days, whereby, I know how crude oil basically went up to about $80. Then after that, it came back down, and it came down to about $50, about $51, $52. That was what happened in 2007. And in 2007, that was where you can see for the crude oil prices, it went all the way up itself, okay, to $147, all right? And the movement was just within a 1.5 year duration. And of course, you can see that the volume itself was really incredible, okay? The volume was simply incredible, right? So after that, you can see it was a very clear pump and dump exercise because it was going up every day like $3, $5, $3, $5, every day was going up in this level. Then, of course, we hit 147. Why? Because everybody say it will hit 150 to even 175 and even 200. So everybody, when they say tell you this will hit that, right? We all know that usually it doesn't work that way, right? And of course, what happened to the crude oil price? After that, it tumbles all the way down, okay? All the way down, and it broke 52. That was very crazy. It went down all the way to about 32 level, okay? 32 level, okay? So that was what happened to crude oil price. Okay, so this is what happened back in 2007, 2008, 2009. Okay, so that was what happened, yeah? So then after that, now we fast forward the tape. So now what we see is that we saw the time when the pandemic happened, the crude oil price burst down and went to negative, remember? Yeah. So this is a one isolated case, so not really the thing to really focus on. But you can see that the 33 level, you can see that, right? Every time crude oil hit 33 level, right? Whether back in 2009 or 2016 or 2020, okay, we at 33. Every time it hits there, the market will rebound. So next time, remember this: if every one time crude oil price do come back down to $30 to $33, that means that that's a good time for you to buy crude oil. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Huh? Okay, all right. Then after that, you can see that at the last time in 2016, after it hit $33 area, right, it rebounded and it went all the way up to about $77 here again. And that is where it stopped, and that was where it came down, right? So it came back up again, and almost at $77 again, it came back down before this time around it burst past the line. Okay, so you got an idea now? Okay, now what do I see from here? So it means that, right, it seems that gold, crude oil, right, you can see that this range itself, the last 10 over years, this 33.77 range is a very interesting range. So the difference between them is about $44. Now, being a TA guy, when I see such a phenomenon, I know that if you take the same number 44 and add in to 77, you will get a number. So the number is 121. 121. So mathematically speaking, I would say this. Now crude oil price is trading at about $81, example 81. The $77 is a base level. So which means that if I were to buy crude oil today at 81, technically speaking, I must have a buffer of at least $4, yeah, $4 of crude oil, because that is $77 a base level. Then in exchange, I aim for probably from $81 here, okay, from 81 now, where we are now 81, to aim all the way to 121. So that is giving you about another $30+, right? About $40, yeah, $40 run. Now that's a lot of money, guys, a lot of money. $40, if you buy a single contract itself, right, it can be as much as, making a profit of $4,000, or you can even do a full contract size. It may be a 40K, right, in the market. So that's why I believe that this should be happening, right? Because inflation is going to come, and there's no way, because Federal Reserve will tell you they won't hike rate until next year. So which means from going from now till then, the crude oil price will have to go higher and higher just to meet the demand. And of course, if the whole world start to recover and then economy recover, travel increase, there will be a huge demand for energy prices. Yes, that's the reason why, to me, it's all right. There's a very, very high chance that we could see the crude oil price hitting 121 by this March itself. Okay, all clear on this? If everybody clear, please key the word crude 121. Okay, crude, yeah. Key the word crude 121. Yeah, so that everybody can remember that I share this. Crude 121 by March 2022. All right, so that's just crude oil 121. Now, of course, by giving it such a big call, is it really that it will happen or not? I mean, no one can predict the future. I'm just sharing with you my personal view. And of course, you should know my macro view usually are pretty decent. All right, not say fantastic, but decent, decent enough. All right, so if you can capitalize this move itself, right, the next five months, then you know what to do as we travel along the direction of this crude oil. All right. Okay, so that is if you guys have accepted that, that means that cool. Let's just continue from here.